George Washington, I don't know if it's a junior high school or for grade schools now, but when I went to George Washington, it was for 7th and 8th graders. They brought the ninth grade up to the senior high school about the time I was supposed to go into ninth grade. It's on Euclid Avenue. We had a strike back in, I can't remember what year it was, mid 80s or early 80s. The teachers went on strike at the beginning of the year, so the students went on strike at the end of the year when we were supposed to get out. They've added on a few fields since I've been there. Coming around the front, I remember Mr. Rigby. He was my teacher, homeroom teacher for 7th and 8th grade. I think he told us he was in a motorcycle gang or club. There's the front of the school. Which faces Euclid Avenue. I remember somebody egged the principal. Last day of school, somebody egged the principal. On the left side here was the shops, metal shop, wood shop. Didn't have metal detectors and police at the school when I was back in school. New baseball field here. Well, what's that street beside Joey's place, Axe? What's that? Oh, Mercer Street. That's Mercer Street. Here's a look at the fields in the back. I remember running track out back. Can't remember who the principal was back at the time. Maybe George, Mr. George. Here's a look over to North Hill. We're approaching Arthur McGill School. That was an elementary school. Hello? Yeah, it's gonna be up, but it's too late now. I can't come up now. She's got the car. Yeah, I know. Making a video right now. I did a video up your way. Uh, I'll try again another day. Alrighty, take it easy. Alright, bye bye. Sorry about that. Got a phone call in the middle of making a video here. Just some more looking over North Hill. Getting ready to land. Give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. Let me know if you like this narration or you'd rather have the music. Maybe I'll put it in the community tab. What do you prefer? Thanks for watching.